welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a little something for your household. Maybe you want to buy it, maybe not, it's up to you. But we thought that this would have been very important for you to know if you live in Germany, because we bought this thing in a store called Lidl and it's very useful for your household. So we bought a food storage container. It's very useful. It's also very aesthetic in my opinion. I love the color, so we're going to unbox it. Come with us. This is how it looks like, people. Wow. So guys, this is how it looks like. So as you can see here, there are 4 small containers and then 1 medium-sized one. They're like out of hard plastic. That's how it looks like. The lid, the inside, it's pretty decent. So let me take out the others. This is the medium-sized one. Here, the next, and 2 more. So basically you can just use this one for like if you want to put something inside, like any nuts or coffee or seasoning. So it's very useful, and that's it for today.